How to fix 0x0000009f crash error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem.
Now your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work, do the same for audio drivers under the sound, video, and game controllers section. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Power option. Click on Change Plan Settings next to your selected power plan. Click on Restore Default Settings for this plan. Confirm the changes and restart your computer. If that didn't work, System Restore can revert your computer's system files and settings to an earlier point in time, potentially resolving issues that started occurring recently.